Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 1.5 from the chapter decimals. In this exercise we are going to do both addition and subtraction in the same problem. While doing the problem like this, first we have to do the addition, after that we have to subtract the third number. Okay, so first we are going to add the first number and the number which has plus symbol in step 1. Okay, step 1, the first number is 17.387. Then we are going to add the number which has plus symbol, that is 24.165. Here 7 plus 5, 12, 2 here, 1 carry over. Here 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 5 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Before adding the whole number part, we have to keep the decimal point here. 7 plus 4, that is 11. 1 here, 1 carry over to the next place. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Now we got 41.552. From this answer, we are going to subtract the third number in step 2. Step 2, first we have to write the answer. 41.552 minus the third number 25.987. Here 2 minus 7, we can't subtract 7 from 2. So we have to borrow from 5. 5 will become 4. 2 will become 12. 12 minus 7, that is 5. Here 4 minus 8. We can't subtract 8 from 4. So we are going to borrow from 5. 5 will become 4. This 4 will become 14. 14 minus 8, that is 6. Here 4 minus 9. We can't do the subtraction. So we have to borrow from 1. 1 will become 0. 4 will become 14. 14 minus 9, that is 5. Then we have to keep the decimal point. 0 minus 5. We can't subtract 5 from 0. So we have to borrow from 4. 4 will become 3. 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5, that is 5. 3 minus 2, that is 1. So this is the final answer. The answer is 15.565. Is it clear? While doing both addition and subtraction, first we have to do the addition. After that, we have to subtract the number. Okay. Then the next question. Here we are having 4 numbers. In step 1, we are going to add the first number and the number which has plus symbol. Okay. So step 1, 51.1 and the number 97.001. Now here we can add 2 zeros. 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1. Then we have to keep the decimal point. 1 plus 7, 8, 5 plus 9, 14. So in step 1 we got 148.101. See here we are having 2 numbers which are having minus symbol. Okay, in step 3 we are going to add these 2 numbers, the numbers which are having minus symbol. Okay, step 2, the first number is 34.608 and 47.2. In step 1 we have add the numbers, the first number and the number which has plus symbol. In step 2 we are going to add the numbers which are having minus symbol. Okay, here we can add 2 zeros. 8 plus 0, 8. Here 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 2, 8. Then we have to keep the decimal point. 4 plus 7, 11. 1 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Now we got 2 answers. In step 1, 1 answer. In step 2, 2 answer. Now in step 3, we are going to subtract these 2 answers. Okay. So step 3, first answer is 148.101. In step 2 we got 81.808. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. Here 1 minus 8, we can't subtract 8 from 1. So we have to borrow from the next number, that is 0. So we are going to borrow from 1. 1 will become 0, this 0 will become 9, 1 will become 11. 11 minus 8, that is 3. 9 minus 0, that is 9. 0 minus 8. We can't do the subtraction. So we have to borrow from 8. 8 will become 7. 0 will become 10. 10 minus 8, that is 2. Then we have to keep the decimal point here. 7 minus 1, that is 6. Here 4 minus 8, we can't subtract 8 from 4. So we have to borrow from 1. 1 will become 0. 4 will become 14. 14 minus 8, that is 6. So this is the final answer. So the answer is 66.293. Here we are having two numbers which are having plus symbol and two numbers which are having minus symbol. So we are adding the numbers which are having plus symbols in step 1 and the numbers which are having minus symbol in step 2. In step 3 we are subtracting these two answers. Is it clear? Then next number 124.04. Here also we are having two numbers having plus symbol and two numbers are having minus symbol. So first in step 1 we have to add these two numbers. Okay. So step 1. First number is 124.04 and 6.4. We have to arrange the numbers properly. Okay. Here we can add one 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 0 plus 4, 4. Then we have to keep the decimal point. 4 plus 6, 10. 0 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 2, 3, 1. We got 130.144. Now in step 2, we are going to add the numbers which are having minus symbol. So the first number is 100.46. Then the next number is 14.305. Now we have to add these two numbers. Here we can add one 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 6 plus 0, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. Then we have to keep the decimal point. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 1, 1. Here 1. Now we are going to subtract these two answers in step 3. Step 3, first answer is 130.44 minus the second answer is 114.765. In the second number we are having 3 decimal places. So here I am going to add one 0. Now 0 minus 5, we can't do the subtraction. So we have to borrow from 4. This will become 3, 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 3 minus 6, we can't subtract 6 from 3. So we have to borrow from 4. 4 will become 3, this 3 will become 13. 13 minus 6, that is 7. 3 minus 7, we can't subtract 7 from 3. So we have to borrow from the next number. The next number is 0. So we have to borrow from 3. 3 will become 2. Then this 0 will become 9 and 3 will become 13. 13 minus 7, that is 6. Then we have to keep the decimal point. 9 minus 4, that is 5. Here 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So 15.675 is the final answer. Answer is 15.675. Was it clear, children? The next question, 0.35 minus 0.897. Here this number is having minus symbol. Here 100.67 having plus symbol. Here 87.5 has minus symbol. 10 minus symbol. So in step 1 we have to add the first number and the number which has plus symbol. Okay. Step 1, first number is 0.35 and the number which has plus symbol, that is 100.64. Here we are having 3 numbers. The numbers which are having minus symbol, 3 numbers are there. So first we have to add these two. 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 6, 9. Then decimal point. 0 plus 0, 0. Here 0, 1. In step 1 we got 100.99. In step 2 we have to add the remaining 3 numbers which are having minus symbol. So first number is 0.897. Then 87.5. 87.5. Then 10. 10 is a whole number. So here to make the numbers like decimals, I am going to add zeros. Now these 3 numbers are like decimals, we can add. Here 7 plus 0, 0, 7. 9, 0, 0, that is 9. 8 plus 5, that is 13. 13 plus 0, 13. 3 here, 1 carry over to the next place. Before that, we have to keep the decimal point. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. Here 8 plus 1, 9. Here now we got 2 answers. We are going to subtract these 2 answers in step 3. So first number is 100.99 and the second number is 98.397. Here in the second number we are having 3 decimal places. So I am going to add 1 0 here. Now we are going to subtract 0 minus 7. We can't subtract 7 from 0. So we have to borrow from next number. 9 will become 8. 0 will become 10. 10 minus 7, that is 3. 9 minus 8, we can't subtract, so we have to borrow from 9. This 9 will become 8. 8 will become 18. 18 minus 9, 9. 8 minus 3, that is 5. Then we have to keep the decimal point. 0 minus 8, we can't do the subtraction, so we have to borrow from 1. 1 will become 0. This 0 will become 9. This 0 will become 10. 10 minus 8, that is 2. 9 minus 9, 0. In 100 place also 0. So this is the final answer. The answer is 2.593. Okay. Then the last question. Here also we are having 5 numbers. So we have to add the first number and the number which has plus symbol in the step 1. Step 1, first number is 116.008. The second number is 0.999. 8 plus 9, that is 17. 7 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 0 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 0 here, 1 carry over to the next place. Before that, we have to keep the decimal point. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. In tens place 1. In 100 place 1. We got 117.007 in step 1. In step 2, we have to add the numbers which are having minus symbol. We are going to add these 3 numbers in step 2. So the first number is 43.14. The second number is 12.6. Third number is 25.8. The first number alone, we are having 2 decimal places. To make the remaining decimal numbers to like decimals, I am adding zeros here. 4 plus. Now we are going to add 4 plus 0 plus 0. That is 4. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 5 here. 1 carry over. Before that we have to keep the decimal point. 1 plus 4, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Now we got 2 answers in step 1 and step 2. In step 3, we are going to subtract these 2. The first answer is 117.007. The second answer is 81.54. In the first, we have subtract. In the first decimal number, we are having 3 decimal places. For that, I am adding 1 0 here. 7 minus 0, that is 7. 0 minus 4, we can't subtract 4 from 0. So, we have to check the next number. The next number also 0. So, we have to borrow from 7. 7 will become 6. This 0 will become 9. This 0 will become 10. 10 minus 4, that is 6. 9 minus 5, that is 4. Then we have to keep the decimal point. 6 minus 1, that is 5. 1 minus 8, we can't do the subtraction. So, we have to borrow from 1. 1 will become 0. This one will become 11. 11 minus 8, that is 3. So, 35.467 is the answer. 35.467. Was it clear, children? While we are having addition and subtraction in the same problem, in step 1, we have to do the addition. In step 2, we are adding the numbers which are having minus symbol. In step 3, we have to subtract these two answers. Is it clear? Hope you all understand. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button. You will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.